Okay, today is July 11th. I'm in Changsha. Greetings to everybody. So I'm going to my brother-in-law's parents' house, and his brother-in-law, not my brother, his brother-in-law actually have a car, Volkswagen. It's not too uncommon anymore for people to have cars in China. Okay? For middle class, almost every family have a car right now. These are big changes in China, really. Yeah. But one thing you realize in China is just the Chinese like foreign brands. Most of the cars actually are produced by joint venture. From Germany, from US, from Japan. So it's a lot of changes anyway. The Chinese car makers have a hard time to compete with foreign car makers due to the brand recognition. Yeah. Okay. So we're in this new developed area in Changsha city, and this is the capital of Hunan province. Okay, so you see all the buildings coming up for the last few years. So actually my brother bought another apartment here about a few years ago. So he lives in Guangdong province but buys another flat in this area for investment or for convenience. So this is China, they have the railway station. Subway actually goes here too. So China is really changing. The biggest problem we say is the pollution. Yeah, almost in every city is pollution. See all those tall apartments here. Some flats are even more expensive than houses in the US, or like more expensive than the Oregon houses. Yeah. Due to limited space, the huge population. Yeah. Okay, so that's my brother Joshua in the back. Hello, Joshua. My students love to see you on TV. He says this is his hometown. Yeah, yeah. So 住的笑一下，住的好。Okay, that's his brother-in-law. Yeah. So 那个什么车来的？就是法国那个是法国的标志嘛，法国的嘛，对不对 ？Yeah, Pugo. Yeah, that's the French one. This is the China. 长安是自己的嘛，对不对 ？The Chinese own brand. Yeah.
自己品牌。
Yeah. The own brand are much cheaper. Yeah. See, those are the own brands. So the imported cars are the most expensive. The joint venture cars actually are not too expensive because they're downgrading. Actually, this is their material. So this is 1.6 liter a Volkswagen. The cars sold in US or Germany are much higher end. So they use this strategy to compete in the domestic market. So that's actually very smart. Yeah. So anyway, so we're still going on this, see, pretty wide boulevard called the Golden Star. Okay, and this is, not a typical street in China. This is normally such wide streets only exist in big cities because the traffic, also the leaders like to show off. Yeah, so anyway, but this is the developed area. Yeah, see, China is a huge construction factory. See, the cranes are everywhere because a lot of buildings are being built, new buildings. Yeah, so because with such a big population, they need a place to stay, and also when people make more money, they want to have cars like what we have in US. And that's the municipal. Yeah, that's a municipal government right there, Changsha. Yeah. CHANGSHA. So that's the municipal capital there. Yeah, this is Jingshin Road. See, the sign says there. So Changsha is the capital, but Changsha city is a city itself. So anyway, so this is the city government there. Yeah, you'll see more as we drive by. Okay. Yep, that's the city government, municipal government. Yeah, it's quite fancy actually. Normally the best buildings in China are owned by the government. Yeah. So that's the, okay. See, that's the lady driving. She just does not follow the rules. Okay. Oh yeah, she's just blocking the road. Alright. So this is another boulevard. Okay, called Yuelu Mountain Boulevard. Yuelu is a local mountain or here. So anyway, yep. Look at the street lights. Yeah. So this is China in a sense. I was in the second tier cities. Beijing, Shanghai, and Shenzhen, those considered the first tier. So this is like for tier 2 cities, means you know, the provincial capitals. And see, look at the boulevard here. So we're going to my brother's apartment. Yeah. So my brother Joshua thinks his brother-in-law is speeding. He's afraid he might get a ticket. And the brother, says, "Oh, don't worry, just a little bit over the speed limit." Yeah. Anyway, driving is crazy in China. Really, people would sometimes drive opposite your direction, and the motorcycles. Yeah, but it's a learning process. You go to tier 1 cities, there are better drivers and more well behaved. Yeah. So. So this is a new road. 你走你最熟悉的方向嘛，你走过来不要经常换道。反都熟悉。哦。So 长长高速这里是吧 ？So this is the road to another freeway. Yeah, see. Yeah. Express highway. That's what it says. Expressway. Yeah. See. Look at the sky. You can see it's a lot of pollution. Yeah. It's not the worst day yet, but you can tell. Just. The problem in China is like they still use coal for electricity. A lot of factories still use very inefficient ways to produce. So they use a lot of energy. Also, there's so many cars in China right now. So that's where the pollution comes from. And we just about the air pollution, but then the water pollution. And soil pollution is one of the biggest challenges right now for any developing countries. Anyway, and China wants to learn. It's learning. See, you see other class 2 here. Okay. 你们住在那前面吗？还没到啊？还没到你那个。另外一条路，我们先去岳母娘家。那你岳母娘家离你家没多远呢？是啊，我们走这边。Oh, okay. 等下我们回。I thought we're closer to our brother-in-law's place, brother's place, and now we're going to his parents-in-law's place right now, from a different route. Okay, see. That's the electric grid. In China, they don't use trees like we use in US. They use cement poles. So anyway, yeah, because they can cement and steel. Yeah, they can carry more things. Yeah, just look over there. Probably really thousands of people live in those apartments. A lot of flats. 那这边的房子多少钱一平方米左右？这个保定。So here for 1 square， 那跟 Oregon 的价钱差不多 ，about the same price like。这就是保地啊，那个中国最大的。$100 per square feet, similar to Oregon price, I would say. But remember, what you buy here, they don't have yards or gardens like we do in US. Yeah, So actually, it's not easy for the average people to own a, you know, apartment. Yeah, they have to save a lot of money. 在保利建的是吧？
对啊。
Yeah. See, they have the speed limit over there. Yeah. See, the freeway is actually quite nice. Yeah. There's a police car right in front of us. That's a police car. And that's a Nissan. 那个是日产的嘛，对不对？对，日产我看到了。我有个日产的，还有一个我有一个本田的和日产。Okay. And that's a cement truck. See, look at this. 那个 G 就是国是吧？国道是吧？它那个高速国道嘛，它就国道嘛。
G 国道，它这样的3个数的就是那个普通的国道，102位数的就是高速公路。
哦 ，OK。
1到2位数的。4个数的就是连接线。
哦。
G04嘛，01嘛，这是连接线。
哦。这边车不多，你看你这里都没。
这怎么不多车呢？这是高速公路哦，你知道吗？没有红绿灯的。
The factory 的，哇。
这是全是车速很快的。
Okay, so this is the
高速公路有这么多车，就很多车的。
Okay.
高路，云峰到高南岭，这里离开家里还有。
Bye for now. Hope you're enjoying the video. See part of China.